Hello everyone. This is Freelancer OS Notion template for freelancers and for client CRM, project and task trackers, Invoice Manager, income dashboard. So it is a this is on the your whole freelance business in one Notion page basically. And as you can see that you can see on our dashboard your invoice unpaid, and you can also see your upcoming task, and your projects which are in progress, on hold, and your proposals, your leads and proposals in the pipelines, which are you have contacted, lost, new, and which proposals have been sent, and your clients which are active, which are lead, which are lost, which are passed, and you also have the guidelines of your template, or your you can calculate your rates. You will get your proposal templates, your client onboarding checklists. Also, these are the different your databases that you can manage your clients, your projects, your tasks, your invoice, your income tracker, your leads and proposals. It's a perfect solution for all the freelancers. This is Freelancer OS, your whole freelance business in one Notion page. Thank you so much.